How's everybody doing? Just want to say I'm happy to see that everybody's safe from the path of Hurricane Michael. I hope all is well with your families. I've had a really long day, long week. I tried to kick it off. I walked in the door and I ordered 2 alcoholic beverages. And the bartender says, I'm sorry, we don't take EBT. Well, what do you mean you don't take food stamps? Trump said it was okay. Yeah, I found out that my girlfriend was cheating on me. It's been a long night, man. I'm having a really bad time right now. My girlfriend, she cheated on me with a pack of CCC batteries. Man versus machine, I'll never win. I feel like a cockroach. She says to me, I no longer need you as a cocksucker. I'm like, okay, babe, cool. I don't know what's going on with this Christmas stuff right now. I noticed it's Target, Walmart, JCPenney's, everybody's selling all this Christmas items. I'm like, it's October, this isn't Christmas. I mean, come on. I mean, when you're kids, yeah, you love Christmas, right? But when you become an adult and you got like 8 kids like I do, you hate Christmas. That's right. I got 8 kids from 8 different baby mamas, and what I hate about it, all of them are born in the month of December. Tell you, my little boy, I picked him up from school the other day, and he says to me, he says, Daddy, he says, my teacher, Mr. Beverly, says that Santa Claus brings a lot of toys and a lot of gifts. He brings everything. He says that Santa Claus is a white man. He's a rich man, a jolly man. I said, oh. Go back and tell your teacher, Mr. Belvedere, that your daddy said that your Santa Claus is a black man, a broke man, and a grumpy ass man. My sister, she just put her Christmas tree up already. I'm like, gee, come on, sis. It's October. So I have a little nephew. He's 4 years old. His name is Hurricane. I don't know how he got the name Hurricane, but I do, because he just tears everything up in the house. So he walks up to me, he says, Uncle Travis, I'm old enough to tell you what I want for Christmas. I said, yeah, what you want for Christmas, Hurricane? He says, I want you to give me $400. I said, whoa. You better call FEMA. Where I come from, we didn't have anything for Christmas. I ate on paper plates and we cooked inside a paper box. That's right. You ever seen a paper pot before? We cooked in one of them. That was like 80 years ago. My grandmother was 100 years old. But I recently auditioned for the TV show called Naked and Afraid. You guys heard of that TV show before? We run around naked in the jungle. Yeah, I auditioned for it. I sent them 12 naked photos. I sent them 12 naked HD photos. They called me back. They said, Travis, we have reviewed your naked photos. Man, we are afraid. We don't allow any elephants in the jungle. What do you mean you don't allow any elephants in the jungle? No elephants in the jungle. Y'all know what she mean. Oh, man. My time's up, guys. Thank you, guys.
Trevor Addison, everybody.